everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Magic at Your Door Day. Magic at Your Door is a monthly subscription-based program for Disney Magic. For young and old alike, this will be the gold box. It's $124.99. They also have other levels. So there's gold, silver, and bronze, and then they have one that's just a touch of magic. And those are all subscription based, so they're monthly auto renewal. The gold is $124.99, the silver is $99.99, the bronze is $74.99, and those three are all fully customizable. So they ask you basically to fill out a list of all your preferences, and you fill those out, and then they also have a wish list that is amazing that I'll talk about here in a few minutes. But the wish list lets you actually say, hey, I want that. I really want that. We'll see if I got any in this month's box. Super excited to see if I did. They also have something they call a touch of magic, which is a little bit of magic. It's $49.99 and it's not customizable at all, but it is definitely Disney magic delivered to your door. But without further ado, let's see what's inside. And I love this little touch where they say, magic at your door, Jen Kelly, let the magic begin. This little guy's name is Dude, and he is dressed for Mardi Gras this month. So let's see what's inside, and then we can talk about a couple things. All right. First up is their flyer, and it says, more than just a subscription, it's an experience. This is their color-coded items, which basically Disney does color coding so that they can change their prices whenever they want, and they don't have to relabel anything. So some of the items will be color-coded, and that's where we'll get the prices. And also they have a new referral program, so I do have a link. I do have a referral. I will put that in the description below. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, you can skip them anytime you want. So anything like that, absolutely use my link below. I also have a discount code this month for $10 off your first customized magic box. So I will put that in the description below as well. It's their promotion. It's YT10. But use my link if you want to give me a little bit of credit. It is an affiliate. So as with all affiliate links, it costs nothing extra for you. It just gives me a little bit back for basically being a YouTuber and referring you. So let's check what's inside. And we'll go over everything all the prices that are in here as well, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, first up is this pair of gorgeous ears. You know, I've actually never seen these until this month. They are so super cute. These are like little mirrored discs. Very nice, and polka dots. Very cute. See what else is in here. Oh, and this is the famous gold pouch, and it is gold because this is the gold level, but that'll have something cool in it that we'll actually check that last. I am so excited. Looks like I got a sweatshirt this month. Oh, I'm sorry. The ears, haha, I almost forgot. The ears don't have a price on them, but if you look at the handy dandy price sheet, there is a price for ear headbands, which is $29.99. So these are $30 just for the ears. This jacket has a price tag of $42.95 on it. Not fall. And it says happily ever after. Oh, and she lived happily ever after. Oh, I love it. It is definitely princess themed. All the princess themed. That is gorgeous. I love that. So there you have that. Super cute. Ooh. So as I was talking about their wish list, this is something that I put on my wish list These are note cards and envelopes with Mary Poppins, and I got some Walt Disney ones sometime last year. I don't remember when, and I just thought they were super cool. So when I saw this, I definitely had to add it to my wish list. I am a huge Mary Poppins fan, and these are just gorgeous. I love the books. They actually look like, I mean, put those on your shelves. It looks like a real book. And then inside is stationery. So there's amazing cards that I will never send, but I will absolutely use for art. Looks like there is maybe 2 of each. Yeah, and then there's these stickers. And then at the very bottom, there are envelopes. And I absolutely love these. Just to show you each one. Oh, that's when he's drawing. And this is the original Mary Poppins. There you have those. And then these are the envelopes. And then there is just a little write-up about Mary Poppins right there on the side. And I will add this to my collection. I love that. Thank you very much. And I will show you, so in the app, it's actually really cool how you can select the wish list. So you just log into your website, your Magic at Your Door, and you just click on wish list, and then it comes up with a huge list of everything that's available for the following month for wish list items. Those will come and go as their stock, as they have them in stock. So definitely check back frequently. They always update it by the end of the month so that you can pick your options by the end of the month for the following month. So keep that in mind. Oh, yay! The Disney Train Metal Earth. Oh, I'm sorry. The Mary Poppins. See, I get too excited. I forget to tell you the price. The Mary Poppins card set is $25. The Disney Train does not have a price, but again, it's on the handy dandy sheet. And the train is anywhere from $17.99 to $21.99. So anywhere in there. Or all the Middle Earths. And I think this one's a $17.99, but I could totally be wrong because it is colored, so I'm not sure. But absolutely gorgeous coloring on these. I'm super excited to do this. This was also another item on my wish list. It was so easy to pick items for your wish list. And last thing in the box is a Wishable. I'm so excited. I don't think this was on my wish list, but they do have a Facebook page, and in the Facebook page they post little teasers, and I think I commented on the teaser that I would really love the tree or the globe. And of course I'm a sucker for a castle, so anytime there's a castle I'm going to speak up to, but this one doesn't look like there's a castle in here. So let's open it up. Oh, and Wishables are $9.99, if I didn't already say that. We got the sun wheel. That is so stinking cute. Look at that. That is so soft. Oh, and there's the sun. Okay, so that's the Wishable. And let us see what is in the famous gold pouch. Remember, it's gold because I got the gold level. Oh. Yay. So these are the Mickey Mouse pins, like the original first couple Mickey Mouses. I think there's a Steamboat Willie in here. Yeah, there's Steamboat Willie. I do love Steamboat Willie. So this also was on my wish list. So definitely, if you are a subscriber with one of those customized ones, the bronze, gold, and silver, absolutely utilize the wish list. I will post right here how much all of this cost. And these cost $16.99. So that, yeah, So that is amazing. This was a fantastic box this month. I have been a subscriber with Magic at Your Door ever since I moved to Texas from Florida because I was homesick, because I missed going to the outlet mall. I missed getting Disney pins all the time. So I found this through YouTube and just absolutely loved it. And I mean, if you know me, you know that I'm a huge Disney fan, and it just filled a void. And I've been getting it ever since. And shipping is free for the contiguous 48 United States. So that is a huge perk. Also, I hate when I find something that's a great price, a great deal, and then I lose all that value by paying for shipping. So absolutely hit the like button if you like this. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And subscribe to this channel if you want to see more Disney magic. And absolutely check out the link below. It is my affiliate link, but use the code YT10, which will be in the description as well, to get $10 off your first customized magic box. You won't regret it. I know I haven't. And if you do, they have a 100% money back guarantee, which is amazing. All you have to do is pack everything back up and send it back. Thanks for watching. Have a magical day.